name's Jonathan Hannam. I'm one of the co-founders of Taronga Ventures, and we are Asia's, we're Asia's first real estate technology focused VC fund. We've been active in the market since 2015, and we are interested in investing into emerging technologies, so scale-ups, businesses that are looking to expand, that will impact the real estate sector, the built environment. And I'd say we have quite a focus on environmental sustainability, wellness, and at the moment, of course, we're doing a lot of work about getting people back into commercial buildings and into shopping centres. So our background is we're coming to this from the real estate space, having been investors in real estate for the past 25 years across Asia, and a deep knowledge of all sectors within real estate. Focus is very much on assisting corporate real estate owners, developers, and institutional investors to navigate the intersection between real estate and technology. And for many of them, the implementation of emerging technology companies within their portfolios is quite difficult. I think so a very key skill set for our business is that we have a dedicated advisory team that supports implementation. So our interest for participation in this forum is to broaden our global knowledge. We are a global investor, so we look for the best of breed technologies globally. But our skill set is to bring these businesses into Asia. And the counter to that is that we're also investing heavily into Asian businesses that are looking to expand globally. So our business acts as the bridge. Started in China. My first role, I actually set up a venture capital fund in 1993. We were one of the first investors into China. In that period, we set up 19 separate investments, and a couple of them were real estate related. So I got into real estate from having to bring foreign and international investors into an industrial park project that we created inland from Shanghai, actually, in a city called Yixing. We then had a major development in Beijing, and worked out there were no real estate consultants in China. So we established the first real estate agency and a business that was acquired by Savills. So the Savills brand in China was actually started in a hotel room with 3 people in 1995. Following a stint in China, I actually did an MBA and moved into investment management, where I was running a joint venture fund with Capital Land and ING Real Estate in Singapore, and then joined the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority as the head of Asia for real estate. So a magical role, investing across all of Asia with multiple deals in markets as diverse as India, Japan, China. We were the biggest foreign investor in New Zealand, and we did many deals in Australia. So our network of real estate groups is very strong, because we have invested significant amounts of money with these groups over the past 20 years. I had a stint in Europe. I was with the fantastic business AREAM, which is a Nordic investor that was actually Blackstone's local operating partner, and then set up our own funds up there, and then moved to Australia with Mirvac, where I was head of capital. And I guess the interest has always been in innovation. At Mirvac, I led an innovation and diversity team trying to drive change through the organization, partly culturally changing the organization as well. And then the opportunity with real estate technology just became too vast. So we established Taronga Ventures in 2015 and haven't looked back. Anyone that knows me is I'm actually probably happy all the time. It's I think I've got a generally positive outlook on the world. I think the things that make me, as from a career point of view, the most, I guess, fulfilling part of what I'm now doing is that where we're actually able to invest into and support companies that are really trying to make a difference. And I've always been an environmentalist at heart and have been keen to make sure that any investment that I've made in the past has been at the highest standard of sustainability. We're now able to invest into really interesting technologies. So we've just done a business out of Canada called Carbon Cure, which captures carbon dioxide in cement. We're a co-investor with Amazon and Microsoft. It's the most amazing technology. We're the only Asian investor, and we'll be bringing that technology into this market. We are able to now put significant amounts of capital to play to actually address some of the biggest challenges that our world is now facing. So that's pretty fulfilling, and it makes me pretty happy.